Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in for a regular checkup when the mechanic discovered it had some pretty unique styling done to it. This customer thought he had accidentally melted a piston, but here's what the technician found. And this customer drove in like this after getting a flat tire on their way to work. And this car came in because of the check engine light constantly being on. This customer's car came with its own little protein stash. Customer states, I hit something on my way out from another shop. And this customer states, my car doesn't accelerate as it should. The owner of this car came in complaining about their car pulling to the left. And when your engine starts sounding like this, it's probably not long before it meets its maker. Customer states, I think I have a turkey underneath my car. And this customer came in after having done some work on the exhaust all by himself. This ProMaster cargo van came in because the customer complained about an oil leak. The mechanics found the engine to be completely locked up. Huh, that's a new one. This customer complained about clunking noises coming from the front wheels. Customer states, the door locks, convertible top, and other electronics don't work as they should. Please advise. And this customer had problems with their brake pedal, feeling a bit spongy after they had just installed new calipers. The mechanic found a crack in the caliper to be the issue. This GM 3.6 liter is getting some stretch timing chains replaced. This customer had a transmission leak, so they decided to slap some 3M tape on there, because why not? Customer states, my car is trying to start on its own, please help. The mechanic found out the customer had mixed up the battery poles and wired the battery backwards. This customer failed his inspection but declined all repairs, saying, it's my car, dude, I do whatever I want, okay? This truck came in after a rim exploded, destroying 2 tires, the wheel hub, shock absorber, brake booster chamber, and the air suspension. Hopefully this guy has some good insurance. I'm not sure swaying sway bars are actually a good thing. Customer states, my tire pressure light keeps turning on and off. And this customer came in because their engine wouldn't stop making a meowing sound. And this mechanic was replacing some tires on this customer's truck. Apparently one of the tires had been frozen to the ground and ripped apart as he was driving away. Customer states, I think I'm missing some parts. This customer came in complaining about poor braking power. Customer states, my car handles weirdly.
Oh, look. All you gotta do is move it down. Oh, that's under pressure. Yep.
This car came in to get its exhaust fixed, but the mechanic also noticed that the owner had done some electrical work all by himself. Customer states, car keeps clunking, please advise. The owner later confessed to having driven through wet concrete a few days before coming into the shop. This customer refused to get their leaking tire fixed and just fixed it themselves in their own creative way, but ended up coming into the shop a couple days later. And this customer came in complaining about their truck moving a lot when turning. Customer states, got stuck in snow, floored it, and now my transmission has a weird noise. This car rolled in because the owner said he heard a pop from the back while driving. And this is actually a feature so that you don't accidentally get out of your truck while it's not in park and rolling. And this customer had apparently fixed their taillights by themselves, but came in after failing an inspection. These cool retractable hood lights were actually a feature on certain GM models between '88 and 1998. Customer states, my car wobbles way too much. And this customer complained about their Mazda having a stinky smell after coming back from a vacation trip. This car came in because the owner complained about clunking noises from the wheels. Customer states, my car sounds like an elephant when putting it in drive. Customer later declined all repairs. The owner of this car came in saying that he thinks something ain't right with his back wheel. And now is probably a good time to change this. And this is what happens when you let your buddy that knows a little this, little that, do some electrical work on your car. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.